Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Today we have an opportunity from the company Analyst, Digital Intelligence Systems. They're looking for a social media content analyst. It pays up to $42 an hour. But before we get started, don't forget to hit the like button because it helps us find more people just like you looking for the best remote work from home job just for you. So if you do that, it will help us big time. Thank you so much for doing so. So for the social media content analyst, it is a 3-month contract and you will assist with the launch of new products on Amazon and aid in various merchandising tasks such as data uploads, launching various content, example images and videos, and Q&A. Skills: Amazon Vendor Central, Excel, and Mac proficient. Qualifications: maintain content quality and uphold and contribute to editorial standards in accordance with style guides, glossaries, and local HR contributions. Edit and load content in various spreadsheets. Work with subject matter experts to develop and update content. Articulate key messages in a way users will understand content structure and style for the web. Ability to work in a fast-paced environment with close attention to detail. Work closely with the localization team for translated content. This job type is contract, pays up to $42 an hour. It has 8-hour shifts, and at least 1 year of content publishing is preferred. If you feel like this is the perfect position for you, we're going to put the link right in the description below so you can apply right away. But if not, don't worry. We're going to have multiple job leads every single day here on this channel. And all you have to do is subscribe and hit the notification bell if you want to be one of the first notified when we have the best remote work from home job position that's available for you. And we also have online courses available for you. We have Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home. If you're curious about how to land that remote job, how to ace those interviews, how to have the best resume, then Land the Remote Job, the best way to work from home, will be the course for you. We have Building Profitable Online Side Hustles, so you have multiple streams of income. We also have Creating Your Own YouTube Empire. If you ever wanted to do a YouTube channel, whether you show your face or not, you can do it as well. And if you want to get all 3 of these courses as the ultimate work from home bundle for 45% off, it's also available. All the links are going to be in the description below so you can go and get those online courses right away and make all the money from home. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just want to work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.